Peace. Hi, peace. Hi. Hi, Wode Maya. Hi, Kimmy. Hi, Febronia. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I met Wode Maya, because this seems to be a question of interest. A lot of people actually want to know how I met Wode Maya. So first of all, we're going to start. Who is Wode Maya? Who is Wode Maya? So Wode Maya is a Ghanaian YouTuber who took over the YouTube platform in Africa. He's like one of the toppest African YouTuber. He goes by the name Mrghanababy on Instagram and Wode Maya on YouTube, which apparently means my mom. It's not his real name. His real name is actually Koben Akon. I'm gonna insert a clip here where he's saying his real name.
Real name is Kobena Akon.
His real name is Koben Akon, if I'm not mistaken. Wode Maya, if I'm saying your name wrong, please forgive me. It's too African, you know. Wode Maya is a professional engineer. He's this I don't know the name, but he's a professional engineer. But he followed his dream to actually become a YouTuber, which he said his father was a little bit against it, and his mom was very supportive. And I think with time later on, they all got in tune with it because he was actually doing very well. They saw the passion behind everything. So yeah, it's really, really amazing, like how he tells you his story, the things he had been through, how the critic and all that behind all these things. And the other thing is he can speak Chinese, Mandarin, I think, or what do they call it? Because he studied there. And he said he's really fluent in it. And like how I met him for the very first time before in person, it was actually through one of his video where he did a video on hair. He was showing us, he took us to a factory where they were making hair.
So
this is a Brazilian hair.
Wigs, the wigs that we wear, where they were making wigs in China, and he was speaking in Chinese, and that's how I was like, oh, this black guy can speak Chinese. That's how I met him for the very first time. Not in person, but online. And then I ended up meeting, not even in a million years could I think that I'll meet Wode Maya. Never ever in my life. But yeah, that's how I met him online and then in person. So I'm really happy and grateful about it. And he's a really good person. He's a good person. I like him. Okay, so this is how I met Wode Maya, guys. I know most of you were like saying, oh, how did you meet that guy? I used to watch his video, or I watch his videos on YouTube. He's a big YouTuber. Annalisa, how did you meet him? He's not even in Namibia. Did you travel out of the country? And I was like, guys, I'm here. I didn't go anywhere. So I want to tell you now how I met Wode Maya. So this is what happens. We have a Namibian YouTubers WhatsApp group, where most of the Namibian YouTubers are in that group or are part of that group. So there's a guy, I call him our Namibian YouTuber father. His name is Nandu Fernando. So I don't know, somehow he got to know that Wode Maya came from Namibia or something like that. And he posted on the group and said, guys, Wode Maya is Namibia. Link up with him and all that. And he ended up getting also Wode Maya's PA's number. And then he posted first name, and then I saw the message on Instagram, but I don't know, for some reason I got distracted and I forgot about it. Then I went to check Wode Maya on Instagram, and then they were still posting, if there's any Namibian YouTuber who are interested, please link up with me and whatever. So then I inboxed them, and I saw that they were in the north. Then I was like, oh my shoot, I miss you guys. I wanted to really meet up with you. I missed you guys. So are you gonna come back to Windhoek or whatever? Then they're like, no, don't worry, you're gonna come back to Windhoek. Okay. Wode Maya came back, and I'm like, guys, I have to meet you. And I organized, I got the PA's number, Febronia and Kimmy. I don't know who is the PA, but both of them, the sweet sisters. Kimmy's Empire, she has a YouTube channel as well. And Febronia doesn't have a YouTube channel. So And then yeah, I linked up with them. I spoke to Febronia. She's so sweet, guys, very, very sweet. I linked up with her, and then she was like, yeah, no. I called her and I told her exactly what I wanted to do. I told her, no, you know, I want to meet up with Wode Maya. Then I told her my plan. I want to do like a lunch. Yeah, it was actually a lunch. Then I told her what I'm gonna do: cook Oshwambo chicken for him, and yeah, and just have a lunch and discuss and ask him some few questions. Okay, then we agreed on the time and all that. But then later it happens that Wode Maya had a lot of people like really wanting to meet up with him, so he was like really running between schedules. And then like, okay, I was waiting for them. Then the change of plans happened. I had to go to him because he was now really tired. He just traveled the previous day or whatever from the north, and after doing so many meets up with different people, he was like really tired. So then they're like, no, you must come to us. Okay, Febronia, the lovely Febronia, came to my house. She came to get me. So I had the whole chicken cooked. And the pap, you watch the video. If you didn't watch it, I'll put it somewhere here. I'll put the link in this video. So she came to get me with another Wode Maya's friend. I always forget his name. Yeah, with Wode Maya's friend, they came to get me. We went, and that's how I met Wode Maya. I went to his apartment, and that's how I made that video. So yeah, then apart from that, now the YouTube group, he was also on Instagram posting that if there was anyone that wanted to link up, you know, they could actually just inbox him, you know. So he's doing this whole Africa to the world traveling, whereby he travels to different countries and he vlogs everything. He goes to the the roots of that specific country, and the tradition, and just everything. He's like exploring the whole African culture, and it's really, really beautiful. And most YouTubers are now also doing it. He's like the man who invented this whole Africa to the world, you know. So so my first impression of Wode Maya when I met him, he's like really, 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 really humble. He's a humble guy, hey? Very, very humble. Even if he's tired, I could tell he was tired, but he still had the energy to like really entertain me. And he's down to earth. He's not full of himself. He doesn't check himself like, you know, I'm the ish and all that. He's just like, he connects with people on a deeper level. And he even says that, he looks at people as people. He doesn't look at them like you are Annalisa the what, or you are who the doctor, or you are who the what. He looks at you as a person. And that was what my first impression of him. And I really, really like him that way, because it's very hard to find someone who has made it in life, and they're really that humble, and they just connect with whoever. It doesn't matter what status you are, and he even doesn't care like how many subscribers you have. That doesn't bother him. He says I was there, you know, and he connects with everyone. So that's what I really, really like him. And he's full of experience, a lot of experience. A lot of experience. And I really also like that about him. He just learns. He likes learning and just exploring the different things and just accepting what he's faced with. And I mean, he ate my food, so like, you know, I'm the type of person who's like really scared. I'm a scary kid, so I don't know if I were to go to different places, I might be a little bit hesitant, like, you know, the food, you know. But he was really, really good. He was good. So yeah, that's basically how I met Wode Maya. Since you guys wanted to know, he's a big YouTuber. He's almost hitting 1 million now. I hope he meets 1 million this year. And yeah, so basically that's it. Oh, and his girlfriend is Miss Trudy, who is also like going to 300k now. And they're just cool people, man. They're cool people. She's also a YouTuber. And yeah, in that I also met his friend Peace. Hi Peace. Hi Wode Maya. Hi Kimmy. Hi Febronia. So yeah, guys, that's how I met Wode Maya. Since we were all asking, Annalisa, you traveled out of the country, you went to Ghana. Guys, I haven't even been out of Namibia. but hopefully sooner I'm motivated like to travel, you know. Maybe Wode Maya will invite me one day to Ghana. Wode Maya, Ghana. But yeah, so that's how I met Wode Maya, guys. So yeah, thank you for liking the video. So you must check out I have 3 videos that I have done on Wode Maya. The first part 1, part 2, and also one behind the scene cooking for him. So you must definitely check that one out. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah! I love you all.
Bye. Bye.
Peace. Welcome to our humble.
Thank you. Guys, I'm here to meet the men.
How are you?
I'm good.
I would love to speak your language. Which language do you speak?
What?
Oshambo, Ungepi?
No.
Nawa?
Ungepi.
Nawa?
You're Benin and also you must know at least 3 or 4 words. I'm sure we will talk to something.
That's
That
is it? No.
just Teti. Teti, I'm saying.
In Namibia, everything is pap. Fish with pap. Chicken with pap. Meat with pap. Kapana with pap. Everything is pap. Oshifima. The first day I ate Oshifima, I slept for 24 hours.
Really?
Yo.
But yeah, it makes you
Like
satisfied and lazy.
I just
immediately
I finished eating. All I wanted to do is to
sleep. Yep.
And then I'm like, the second time I'm like, no, this food can't defeat me. And I've been eating since I came in. I think my stomach was like, not again.
So you're gonna have it again?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
African
Team
earrings.
Natural hair with African earrings.
Yeah.
And this is Oshwambo outfit. I've seen it so many times.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait.
The colors.
Oh, the mixture.
Yeah,
like
the
white
colors.
And
The white, yeah.
They actually have different patterns.
Oh,
and
really?
colors and all that.
It looks so pretty in the African design.
Thank you.
Oh, nice.
Thank you, Maya.
I am Maya.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life.